Multicolor 3D printing is stupid, and here is why.
Young and bold with dreams in his hands, building his name in the maker's lands.
And I know that's crazy for coming from somebody with 3 multicolor machines behind me. Now there are many times it's very useful, such as right here. As you can see, these are tiny keychains for somebody, which would be next to impossible to make by myself without multicolor machines. But I've only had a multicolor 3D printer for maybe 8 months or something. It's been a while, but I've only had them for that long. And I've racked up an immense amount of filament poop. Each one of these boxes weighs over a kilogram when they're full, because they're filament rolls boxes. And what wasn't filled before is now, so it's probably about 3 pounds or something of filament. And this is all of them. Yeah, that's a lot of filament wasted, and I would know. But since we have gotten so used to multicolor machines, people have started printing models they could have printed without it being multicolor, just so they don't have to spend time assembling their models. Because I love filament, and I don't like wasting it. Because once you've used it, you can't get it back, which is really sad. So before you start one of those multicolor prints, think, can I make this without doing it multicolor? And if yes, then do it. Make it not multicolor. But if it is a no, then, well, you know, multicolor it, because it's fun. As I said, there's probably about 10 kilos or something of filament here. And that's quite a waste of filament that you could have used on other models. It has to change color every layer that it has a different color on it, which is extremely wasteful. So I've whatever, it doesn't matter. I've minimized that with printing these to flush into, because for whatever reason people really love those things that are multiple different colors that are just kind of random. But I'm not saying I hate multicolor printing. As you can see, I use it quite a lot with my 2 Bamboo A1 minis and my Cobra 3 over here. So remember to print all the cool stuff. And if you want some filament, there'll be some things in the description to get some.